seen your picture once. My heart can no longer hold itself together.
I wish you were close by, so I could cherish you gently. This love I feel, Lord,
It's so big that words can't describe. Hard to explain what my heart is saying.
your soft, tender eyes pull me deeply into your world.
Your beauty makes my mind restless, for you shine like the moon above. While I'm just a rabbit far away, only able to admire the moon from a distance. Even if you don't speak of love, I'm still waiting, hoping for the day you'll give me your heart. Yeah, my love will never change. Just 1 minute, let me have you close to me, because my heart already belongs to you. No matter what obstacles come our way, my love won't fade. I promise to stay by your side for a lifetime. Your soft, tender eyes pull me deeper every day. Your beauty shines like the moon, and I can only admire you from afar. Even if you say no words of love, I'll still wait, hoping for the love